thank everybody for coming out. I appreciate it. My boat captains that are here that don't have any kid of their own on the boat, be sure to tell my girls in the back that, because we are giving prizes away for y'all. Y'all are what allows me to do this, because without the boats, I can't do it. So for them guys, give them applause too. And for my over-competitive parents, remember, it's about the kids having fun. Let them have fun. I need all the kids to go out front and group up so we can get photos for my sponsors. And I got several sponsors in here right now, so give them a round of applause.
Oh, good shoot. It was close.
That scared me. Until they jumped in and I got shot one. That scared the far out of me.
We good?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, we're just starting to see some fish.
Roll. Shoot it!
Oh, man! Oh, no, you got to push your button out of there.
Look at all these fish. Shoot it!
Get it!
Oh my goodness!
Ooh, got one. Got one. One on. Good. I see one on. Hold him, Riley. Oh, man. I seen it. Good shot, Riley. Oh, my God. Oh, somebody's in one. Riley's in one. Oh, he was. Came out.
I was
Tip you got on there, boy.
close.
TNT.
That was close. That was big.
Do something with it, Easton.
Easton, pick that up like you said you was going to. Big talker.
Right there, there are all kinds of them. No shot. All kinds of crazy.
I'm ready. Show me a fish. Whoa, I got one!
Oh, darn it.
Riley, you ran into my face.
Man, I had it. I know I did.
Oh my gosh. Where's the lots?
I cannot go
Swing it.
Oh my gosh.
Sling it as hard as you can.
Come on.
Swing it! Oh, you're supposed to sling it.
Look at that one. Somebody shoot that fish. Get that fish.
You got, no.
Somebody shoot that fish.
I don't have my reel.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't have anything ready yet.
I couldn't shoot because I was afraid I'm going to shoot somebody because I can't turn. So I would have shot a giant hole in.
Come on, boys. Y'all ain't gonna get these. You're
Oh,
starting out.
I'm waiting.
Right there.
Right there, get
Just
that
sitting
baby.
there.
He's sitting
Just sitting there waiting on you. Why didn't all y'all shoot?
because I'm all the way back
Oh,
here.
yeah. What you do teamwork?
It's like a dove shoot, son. When the bird comes in, I want to hear all of you firing.
Get him.
I just need to get over there. Oh. Did you get him?
Holy Mac! Somebody shoot that fish.
It's still up. Coming back. It's coming back.
Move! Go get it!
Holy cow! It's an epidemic. It's crazy. I don't know what's going on.
Let the FBI get in here.
Right there. All kinds of them. Somebody stuck that fish.
One.
Right there's one right behind him, too. There was three swimming together. Only one
Where's
person
Johnny?
shot.
Where's Jeff?
Listen, hey, if Gimpy shows up again, somebody hand me their bow.
I'm a huge winner. Are those ones?
Right back there, look back
Both of
there.
them shot it.
Right there's one, right there's one. Draw back.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Wait,